Welcome to Mappa's Art Studio!
Hey everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. So today's video is the third video in my purple series, and we're going to be doing a Dutch pour. This is on an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped deep edge canvas. And what you see me doing here is laying down my base coat. Now, since my base coat is black, I'm using Amsterdam Oxide Black. What I did before I started filming is I painted my edges just to ensure proper coverage and that so the white of the canvas doesn't show. Now, you don't really have to do this because Oxide Black is already an opaque color, but I just do it for my peace of mind. And what you see me doing here is I'm taking the excess paint that came off of the canvas when I spread out the paint, and I'm just dabbing the sides again to ensure proper coverage, and also to make sure that when I blow out the paints that it has something to flow down the sides of the canvas. So I am going to lay down my colors, blow it out, and I'll jump back on in a bit. I'm gonna also link the colors that I use in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So I'm going to go and fix my edges, and then I'll bring you in for the wet results and a close-up. I love it. This is absolutely gorgeous. Purple and gold are just, you know, just a natural combination. You can see some of that pearl violet there from Amsterdam. I can't wait to see how this dries. Look at those cells. Look at the gold and all the shimmer. Now this is the first time that I'm using the Pebeo violet, iridescent violet blue, so I'm kind of interested to see how it will dry. Dried results coming up in 3, 2, 1. This dried absolutely amazing. I love it. Now let's bring you in for a close-up. Look at that. Now there is that pearl violet from Amsterdam. Look how that dried. Now the pearl paints from Amsterdam, they show up better on dark backgrounds. Now I haven't decided yet whether I'm gonna varnish this with some gloss varnish or with a coat of resin, but either one, I think the resin might bring out the shimmer a bit more and just give it that shine. So I think that's the way I'm gonna go. Now this painting is available for purchase. If you're interested, my contact details are in the description below. I want to thank you all for joining me today. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, that's okay too. But leave a comment and let me know what you thought of today's video. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing and sharing my video. Thank you all for your support. So far it means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!